10 Spooky Halloween Lifehacks. My name is Mr. Halloween and today we'll be looking at 10 Halloween Lifehacks. Lifehack 1. Halloween Cake. Here's what you'll need. Combine and you'll have a fun Halloween cake. Lifehack 2. Scary Pumpkin. Take one pumpkin and fill it with uranium. The radiation will scare people away. Perfect fun for the whole family. Lifehack 4. Fake blood. Why use real blood when you can use fake blood? You can make your own fake blood, but it'll be easier to buy in a store. Lifehack 8. Halloween drink. Mix gently. Lifehack 9. Fun Halloween wallpaper. Take a screenshot and use it as a wallpaper. Lifehack 10. Spook. Go scare people, it'll be very spooky. Thanks for watching. Happy Halloween.